How to recover Google Authenticator key. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Google account and click on this option of manage Google account. This way you would be able to open up this screen. Now over here you will have to scroll further and open up the section called security. Simply open up security, and over here you would be able to find the option of two-step verification under the section called how you sign in to Google. Simply click on it and wait for it to redirect you. It will redirect you to a different page where you will have to use your passkey or your keys in order to log in. After that, you need to just scroll down. So after you scroll down, you would be able to find the option of Authenticator over here. Simply click on it. Now, in case if you have already set up the Google Authenticator on your account, you would be able to find the option to change the Authenticator device. Just simply click on it, and this way you would be able to get the QR code and just use your new device, log into your Google Authenticator or sign in. After that, scan the QR code with your new phone or new device, and you would be able to log in with that new device on Google Authenticator using your old credentials. And this is how you do it, and this way you would be able to recover your Google Authenticator key. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.